FEFDY.
Once upon a time, there were 4 cows who were the best of friends. They were always together and did everything together. So their enemies found it difficult to attack them. There was a jackal who lived on the leftovers of the lion's food and never got enough for himself. One day, the jackal thought, I should do something to those 4 cows to put an end to their unity. Then, one day, when the cows were separated, he went to one of the cows and said, "Do you know that your 3 friends have decided to leave you and they have gone to the cave nearby to eat a lot of grains?" Hearing this, the cow became very angry. "Is that so? I will go there before they get there." And then the cow went to the cave. But there was a lion sitting inside the cave who was waiting for this chance to kill the cow. And he wanted to have a feast. The lion pounced on the cow and killed the cow. And then the jackal and the lion happily ate their food. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is to never make a decision in anger, as a decision that is made in anger is not a decision that is well thought of.